All right, guys, to show you the coloring on this car, I need some help because I want you to see it drive into the light. However, my wife's gone right now, so my son, Ren, is gonna help me out. Do you think you can drive it for me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Here, you know how to get in there and start it up, right?
Yeah.
You're just gonna put the key in on that far side. You're gonna press start, back it up into the road, and then turn it around. You think you can pull that off?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, you ready? Okay, let's do this. All right, buddy. Okay, back it up. You got this. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, stop. What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and if you follow the channel, you know that I just posted how I was able to get my new Ferrari wrapped in this beautiful color. And so in this video, I'm gonna share with you why this is the only car wrapped in this color in the entire world. I'm gonna share the deep dark secret on that. I'm also gonna show you all of the different mods they were able to do on this car while it was in the shop. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. First off, I need to start by saying that never in a million years did I think that my garage would look like this. It has been such an incredible year, and to be able to pick up both of these cars and fall in love with purchasing cars is something that I never thought I would ever do. On top of that, I never thought that my Raptor and my wife's daily driver would end up outside, but here we are, and a lot of that I have to thank the Stradman for one, and thank all of you, because a lot of this I started doing because of YouTube. I thought, hey, if I buy the Stradman's car, that'll be a cool experience, it'll be good for the channel. However, it's something that I really have started to be passionate about. Like, cars are so much fun, and so getting to here has just been a blast. Now, just to give you some backstory, I have a buddy that wraps cars. His name's Cameron, and he was actually the one that wrapped my Tesla, and he did an incredible job. However, he saw that I was getting the Ferrari, and we had been talking about ideas for him to be able to wrap it. Going through that process, he was also following Dipped Auto Works, and he saw that they were doing a promotion. He knew they were a big company that did incredible wraps out in Vegas, and they said, look, if you have a supercar, we will wrap it for free in a brand new wrap that has not hit the market, which turns out to be this wrap. I said, heck yes, let's do it. So that's how I got linked up with Dip. We shipped the car out, and that was how everything came together. Now, I wanted to give you guys a closer look at this wrap because I always seem to catch it right at sunset. And as you can see, we're just about there, so we need to film this video super quick. But I want to talk about a couple things. First off, they didn't just do the wrap. They also fixed the rear diffuser, they fixed the sticky buttons, they fixed the leather issues on the seat and behind the seat. And finally, actually, I'll show you guys this one first because this lighting is probably gonna be perfect for it. But if you look in here, and I'll have the picture pop up right here, before around the keyhole was trashed. Okay, so check this out. Look at that. It looks just brand new. The buttons are all fixed. The buttons up here are just gorgeous. And we're gonna show you the diffuser and the leather. But first off, we gotta get there and catch the sunlight because as you can see, my camera light is on and we're very limited on time. So Ren, here's the deal. Back it out so that we can get down before the sun gets down so I can show them how cool the color on the car is. Do you think you can help me with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, put your foot over the top. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, are you in there okay?
Yeah.
All right, so here's how it works, okay? You're just gonna put the key in on that far side. You're gonna press start, back it up into the road, and then turn it around. You think you can pull that off?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, you ready? Okay, let's do this. All right, Ren, start it up. All right, buddy. There we go. You're okay. And I really want you guys to see this wrap before it's too dark. You got it. Oh, look at that. So clean. Okay, now you can see it's all black. Now we just gotta hope we can get to some sunlight. All right, he's doing so good. All right, easy, easy. Probably should have had him take it at more of an angle. Straighten it out. All right, turn around. Turn around, you're supposed to go this way. I guess we'll go down to this sunlight. Come on. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no. Stop, stop, no, stop, 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 stop. Oh, goodness gracious. It looks beautiful, but man, was that stressful. So you can see it's black over here. You can just really see the coloring there. Dude, you did an awesome job. How was that? You stressed me out so much, dude. You were all over the road, huh? Do you think you feel pretty comfortable driving it? See, right here, you guys can see where they had the seat issue before, and they have completely fixed that. The other thing, back here, that massive hole was there. It is completely gone, which is just awesome. They also finished all of these buttons that used to be sticky, so they all look just brand new. And can you chill right there for a minute? Okay, so if you check right here, you can see that they fixed all that crack. It just looks brand new. And on top of that, if you look at these exhaust tips, they are just gorgeous. So now you've got the coloring. We again got it just before sunset, but we gave you guys a chance to see that coloring. And as the sun goes down, you can see more and more of the color dissipates into that matte black finish. And it just is so gorgeous. It's got kind of that purple tinge now. Ren, dude, that driving was incredible. Give me knuckles. Yeah. Are you ready to take on the track next? All right. All right, guys, well, we've shown you all of the things that Dip did for this car. I love the fixes that they made. I absolutely love the color and the wrap from KPMF. The only thing I haven't shared with you is the deep, dark secret I was talking about. And that secret is that this is the only wrap like this in the world right now. And the reason for that is that this wrap has not yet been released. KPMF let us put it on this car, even though it doesn't come out until December 18th. So until December 18th, I will be the only one that has it. However, it's a new iced series. They have a couple different colors. It's absolutely incredible. And so watch for that coming mid-December. I also hope you guys enjoyed the video. All that I ask you to do is make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. Also, go check out Dipped Auto Works. They did an incredible job for me and everything just looks fantastic. And then Ren, what do we got to tell everybody to say? Do you remember? Can you say smash the like button? Yeah, so hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and catch my future videos where my goal is to help you guys to build a huge passive income. Thanks guys, have a good one.